Meta, January 3rd, 2025. No gaps on the daily. It's pre-market high. $606.30, 607. I don't like this. Has no wick, but I don't like that. I don't like this, but I feel like this right here is a little bit too far. So I'd rather keep this together, and it lines up with this wick right here too, which is crazy. Nothing else. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's go to 31. See what happens on the second candle. Boom. Reject. Hold. Entry. First target. Nice. What? Close to $1 move. Break. Hold a level. Bull flag into the 1 minute trend. Boom. March 3rd, 2025. Check for gaps on the daily. Nothing. Time frame. So we came up, came back down, tried to recover, and pre-market we're taking out the prior day high. So again, you don't have to wait for this specific high for entry. As long as you take out the prior day high, it's ready to make a move. It just has to set up properly, basically. So we have 1 and 2, 160, 178, and sorry, I'm bugging. 678 and 680.95. Let's see, nothing else. 683. I like that psychological level. Let's see. And this is Meta, so Meta is, let me see, like that high right there. Gotta give Meta some space, but this is a lot of space, so I'll remove this and do this. Red to green, second candle open, straight up. Straight up. Bullish reversal into this uptrend. Break the first target. Now we're consolidating and rejecting off the second target. Sheesh. Short-lived. Definitely made a $4 move though from entry. Broke. Not even $4. I'm lying. This is a $6 move from entry. Nice $6 move. What's this? March 3rd. June 2nd, 2025. June 2nd, 2025. Checking for gaps. No gaps. June 2nd, 2025. So that's the prior day high. Let's see. Recent levels. Double top right here. Okay. I like this level here. There's really nothing in this area. There's really nothing. Meta solo volume. This is crazy. Wick off the 1 minute uptrend, and this candle takes out the high for the breakout. Good momentum. Sheesh. 660, 73. Nice. Nice move. Showed no signs of weakness. Even though we rejected here, we still held this level. Nice continuation with the reject.